I spent $45,000 on profitable inventory in 1 day last week using a really simple sourcing strategy. Because if you ask me how much time I actually spent sourcing to be able to spend that money, I actually spent maybe 10 minutes sourcing. All right. And on the low end, this should make me around $10,000 in profit when everything sells, and it should take around 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the sourcing method that I used is really easy, and you see all these guys online talking about a lot of, yeah, use the KPF, like Keeper Product Finder, like, do this, that, do the corridor method, all that bullshit. You don't need to do that, okay? So the truth is that, yes, I spent 10 minutes to actually source, and I'm going to show you how I actually source, right? But what you need to understand is that to be able to do that, and this is one of the reasons why I've been preaching finding 5 leads a day every single day, because to be able to do what I did, you're going to need to have a huge database of products, all right, of profitable products. And I'm going to show you how I actually did this. Now, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release videos right here on YouTube to help you with your Amazon FBA business. Why? Because I have a coaching program and I do have something to sell you, right? I'm not going to bullshit you like these other guys that have like 10 softwares to sell you, to sell you all that stuff. No, I want to make you money whenever you want to take your business to the next level. You'll sign up for my coaching program, okay? I also have software to sell you. I have a lot of shit to sell you, right? I'm going to be straight up with you. I have a lot of shit to sell you, and when you see these videos, like actually, like, you know what I'm talking about. You'll see that I know what I'm talking about, I should say, and so you'll sign up. So the tool that I used to do this is this, okay? So on Keepa, you have the Keepa Product Finder, right? But you also have the Keepa Product Viewer, which is something that nobody talks about, okay? So what this tool allows you to do, and let me zoom in, you can actually copy and paste asins right here. So you can take asins from your lead bank, paste them up all right here, and then sort them and actually go through it. So for example, let me just copy a couple of leads from my lead bank and load them up right here so you can see what you can do. So here's an old lead bank from one of my VAs, all right? So I'm just going to copy a lot of asins from it, and what I'm going to do, and you can do it with all the asins, to be honest, right? And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to paste all the asins right there. You can paste up to 10,000 asins, which is what you should do, right? You just load up the list. Boom, so one of the asins is not there anymore. And then what you're gonna do is sort by how fast they sell. Boom, we have a couple of leads selling really fast. And so at this point, what you do is you just go here, boom, that's it. Just look up the product, right? And so I did that with one specific category of product, one specific niche of product that I know really well. And so this, if we can still get it at the price at which we found it, I think it was last year, this spreadsheet is from last year, yeah. We can still make money. I think it's this one, right? Yeah, $2.99. We get this right there, boom, at $2.73, yeah, $2.99. Like, the return on investment is insane, right? And it's selling. That's it. That's literally it. And that's the refill. Is it the refill that we have right there? Yeah, that's the refill. Yeah, that's it. So 3D at the same time. So that specific strategy right there. And this video is going to be very short, so it's not going to be pushed a lot. And so actually it's better like this, like, yeah, like 4 minutes, so not a lot of people see this video, because just so you know, usually when the videos are like shorter, YouTube do not push it to a lot of people, right, when it's under 8 minutes. So yeah, great, like, you have a strategy that can find you a lot of leads. Do it. I would do it if I were you. You know, you saw how easy it was to find profitable leads. Just upload your lead bank to Keepa with the Keepa Product Viewer. You're gonna make a lot of money. See you in the next